Join me, guys. Let's make some yummy plantain porridge. Do you like what you see? If you are interested in knowing how I make this yummy plantain porridge, please keep watching and don't forget to like the video, follow my page if you have not yet followed my page. So this particular plantain porridge na Bayelsa people delicacy. Now then get by plantain porridge. When you talk about plantain porridge na Bayelsa people na you get am. They call am for there KKF, that is kekefia. If you know, you know. So the first thing you'll be needing is some plantain, unripe plantain, or not be ripe one or unripe one. Okay. So when you get your plantain, you wash am. After you don't wash am finish, you peel am. Peel am small small, just like so, as you go see am like this, like this, cause I no record where for the peel am. After peeling it, put am inside pot, then blend your onions and your pepper. Be very generous with your onions, okay? Blend am, you put am inside, put water, not too put water. Then after you put am finish, you come add your protein. I use tilapia fish for my own, but you can use dry fish, you can even use mackerel fish, depends what you want, okay? So after adding all those things, you allow it to cook. The way you take see am before, when I open am just now, you allow am cook for like 15 minutes. Yes, let the plantain don change color. You know when plantain don dey done, you sef go see am say e don dey done. When plantain don change color, then you come back, you add your palm oil. As I take add my own, so add your palm oil, then you cover am, let this palm oil cook together with the plantain for another 5 to 10 minutes. Alright. So after 5 to 10 minutes, go ahead and add your seasoning cube and your salt, because at this point is already the time for you to add it. Okay. So after adding it, you add your potash. The potash I show na just now, that is African potash. Okay, they call am a can, abi a con for native language. So add your potash. After adding your potash, you give it another good stir. Stir your food very well so that it will not burn. You know say I dey always dey tell una for this my page say anytime you dey cook, dey turn your food, no let am make e burn, because when e burn, you no go like am. Then after you don turn am finish, you come add your crayfish. Shey una see when I add am that just now. Add your crayfish, then let am simmer for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then you go come turn am like this. This one na im be the koko. Turn it very well, make e thick, so that e dey oh abeg, make I no talk too much, but shey una like wetin una dey see like this. Turn am, make e no make pete pete, make the water thick. That one na im be the secret of porridge, especially plantain porridge. You see am, you see the way, you see as I dey drop am, see am na, see the way e dey draw, e dey follow the turning stick. I no see am. So na so you go take do am. Alright. So if you like this video, I know you like it, that's why you're watching to this point. If you have watched to this point, I know you already like the video. So please give this video a thumbs up and follow the page. If you're not yet followed the page, if you're watching from YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have come to the end of this video, and don't forget to drop your comment down below what you think about this plantain porridge. Is it giving or not? Rate this food from 0 to 100. Mona, drop the comment for there. This plantain porridge na im make my husband fall in love with unripe plantain o. My husband unripe plantain before they be enemy. They no dey play. He no like unripe plantain. Na that ripe one, na that one na he like. But you see this unripe one, he no like. And I tell am say no worry. You get the way I go take cook am, you go love am. True, as I really cook am, na him say e be like say you go dey cook this plantain porridge every day. So guys, I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye bye.